Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will continue with the second chapter Parallel Lines of Maths 2. In the previous videos we have completed Theorem 1, 2 and 3. Also we have completed exercise 2.1. Today we will learn Theorem 4. Let us prove a property of a triangle using the properties of angles made by a transversal of parallel lines. Angle sum property of a triangle. Statement: the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, a triangle is a three-sided closed figure with three angles, and the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. We will prove this in this theorem. So, given is triangle ABC is any triangle. See the figure. To prove, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equals to 180 degree. Now to prove this theorem, we have to construct a line DE passing through A and parallel to BC. So the construction here is, through point A, draw a line DE parallel to side BC such that D dash A dash E, that is, points D, A, E are collinear points. Proof: line DE is parallel to side BC as per construction and AB is the transversal. Now see the figure. Angle DAB is equal to angle ABC. Reason: alternate angle theorem. Let this be equation number 1. Also on transversal AC, angle EAC is equal to angle ACB. Reason: alternate angles theorem. Let this be equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. While adding, we have to add left hand side of equation 1 with the left hand side of equation 2, and right hand side of equation 1 will be added to right hand side of equation 2. So we will get angle DAB plus angle EAC equals to angle ABC plus angle ACB. See right hand side of above equation, we have angle ABC plus angle ACB. So only angle BAC is left for sum of all angles of triangle ABC. So therefore adding angle BAC on both sides of above equation, we get angle DAB plus angle EAC plus angle BAC equals to angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC. See the figure. The sum of angle EAC and angle BAC is equal to angle EAB by angle addition property, that is angle EA. So substituting angle EAC plus angle BAC equals to angle EAB in the above equation, we get angle DAB plus angle EAB equals to angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equals to angle DAB plus angle EAB. As angle DAB and angle EAB forms a linear pair angle, therefore angle DAB plus angle EAB is equal to 180 degree. So substituting this value of angle DAB plus angle EAB in the above equation, we get angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equals to 180 degree. And therefore, it is proved that the sum of measures of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and hence the theorem is proved. Test for parallel lines. Whether given two lines are parallel or not can be decided by examining the angles formed by a transversal of the lines. First test. If the interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Second, if one of the pairs of alternate angles is congruent, then the lines are parallel. Third, if one of the pairs of corresponding angles is congruent, then the lines are parallel. So let's see the first test. Theorem 5, Interior Angle Test. Statement: if the interior angles formed by a transversal of two distinct lines are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Given a transversal XY intersects line AB and CD at point P and Q such that angle BPQ plus angle PQD equals to 180 degree. Here angle BPQ and angle PQD are interior angles on the same side of transversal. To prove line AB is parallel to line CD. Here we will prove the theorem by indirect method. So we will assume the negation of the statement we want to prove. Let us assume line AB is not parallel to line CD. Therefore, they intersect each other at point T. Now, in triangle PQT, angle TPQ plus angle PQT plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Now, let this be equation number 1. Now, we can write angle TPQ as angle BPQ, angle PQT as angle PQD. Now, substituting these values of angle TPQ and angle PQT in equation number 1, we get angle BPQ plus angle PQT D plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Reason: P dash T dash B, that is points PTB collinear points, and Q dash T dash D, that is points Q, T, D are collinear points. But angle BPQ plus angle PQD equals to 180 degree given. Let this be equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, we can see the right hand sides of both these equations are equal. It means the left hand sides are also equal, and therefore angle BPQ plus angle PQD plus angle PTQ equals to angle BPQ plus angle PQD. Now angle BPQ and angle PQD are common on both the sides, so they will be cancelled. From equation 1 and 2, angle PTQ is equal to 0 degree. Therefore, lines AB and CD are not two distinct lines. But this contradicts the given that two lines AB and CD are distinct, and therefore our assumption that line AB is not parallel to line CD is false. Therefore, line AB is parallel to line CD. Hence, the theorem is proved. I hope you have understood both the theorems. Write the theorems in your notebook. Thank you.